today nobody asks about the value of a PC or a laptop or a server, etc. What they ask about is the value of data and the value of networks that bring all this data together. And knowledge and sharing are at the heart of this value. If you're able to share knowledge, and if you're able to make sense out of massive amounts of data, then you're extracting amazing amounts of value, much more so than the founding fathers of our industry might have imagined when they were thinking about the PC and the screen and all that kind of stuff. So this sea change in value is really driving everything that we're seeing right now with the spread of this massive amount of deployments in technology in every industry, where companies are now calling themselves IT companies, even though they may be, I don't know, dealing with concrete or dealing with things that have nothing to do with IT. But that's because the sharing or the knowledge that comes, within that domain has become so important that they see themselves as an IT company. The same thing with airlines, the same thing with, hospitality and healthcare, all these industries. Now, once you start looking at this value with knowledge, then you start kind of matching it with how you drive, that knowledge. And the original kind of idea was, well, you can have it inside of this container, which is called the PC. Then you had networks, then you had the internet. But now you're seeing organizations looking at, their enterprise space and saying, okay, we've got a lot of knowledge, but in reality, we need to share that knowledge with our partners in our ecosystems, because that's how we drive our business, forward. And so there's this element of knowledge and the value of knowledge and driving it towards more than just the enterprise. And that's really where things are headed. And where we're so excited to be involved in when it comes to spreading knowledge within business ecosystems.